If we want to talk about radicalization is happening here. And let us just be quite honest. There are some institutions and some people who are living within the West, either in UK or Ireland or other Western countries, who are responsible of radicalizing the young Muslims minority here. So that's the other fact, and we need to name them exactly. We need to name those people. This issue doesn't concern only the Muslim minority. It concerns the Irish authority. It concerns the general public, and it concerns the Muslim communities. We should be very clear that we don't want bigots like those people in Ireland. We don't want them near our mosque, and certainly we don't want them near our kids.